A structure begins to take shape, not in design, not in architecture, but in the very way its building blocks are created. Deep inside an industrial facility in the United Kingdom, bricks are being fired at extreme temperatures. But something fundamental has changed. The fuel driving this process is no longer fossil-based, it is hydrogen, marking the beginning of a transformation in one of the oldest industries on Earth. For centuries, brick production has relied on intense heat generated by burning coal and natural gas. Massive kilns operating continuously, consuming energy at scale, releasing significant amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, forming a hidden but critical source of emissions within the global construction ecosystem. An industry built on strength but powered by processes that have remained largely unchanged. These kilns, often reaching temperatures beyond 1000 degrees Celsius, demand a constant and stable energy supply, making electrification difficult and inefficient at scale, forcing manufacturers to depend on combustion fuels, reinforcing a cycle where durability in construction comes at the cost of environmental impact, creating a challenge that has persisted across generations. Now, that challenge is being confronted with a new approach, one that replaces the source of heat without altering the integrity of the process. Hydrogen is being introduced as the primary fuel, burned through advanced industrial systems designed to replicate the same thermal performance, while fundamentally changing what is released into the atmosphere. At the core of this transformation lies a simple but powerful shift. When hydrogen burns, it does not produce carbon dioxide, it produces water vapor, enabling the kiln to maintain its extreme heat while dramatically reducing emissions at the point of use, preserving the quality of the bricks while redefining the sustainability of their creation. Inside the facility, hundreds of burners are being replaced, infrastructure is being reconfigured, and hydrogen supply systems are being integrated into a process that has remained unchanged for decades, turning a traditional brick factory into a model for industrial decarbonization, where legacy systems evolve without losing their purpose. The impact extends far beyond a single factory. This approach introduces a pathway for industries that require high-temperature heat, sectors where electrification alone cannot deliver the required performance, from cement production to steel manufacturing to glass processing, opening the door to a broader transition toward low-carbon industrial energy systems. This is not just an upgrade in fuel, it is a redefinition of industrial energy, a shift from carbon-intensive combustion to clean molecular energy, from emissions as a byproduct to water as an output, aligning one of the oldest manufacturing processes with the demands of a rapidly changing world. The future of construction is not only being designed in blueprints, it is being engineered at the level of materials, and as hydrogen continues to scale across industries, it will reshape how the foundations of cities are created, making sustainability not an addition, but a built-in characteristic of progress. Subscribe to DEZN and step into a future where technology is not just advancing, but rebuilding the world from the ground up.